Hi friends, Jeff Allen off the Gridiron. What I'm going to share with you today is this field point, this hunting point with the wire in there has been awesome on the end of my arrow to catch and kill small game. All it takes is one of those wires to catch a wing, a leg, a neck, and a head, and it's lights out for the small game. Certainly a different option than using some common field points and blunt tips. These are just target tips. Here's a version of the guillotine for perhaps hunting turkey. But what I'm thinking is taking a standard target field point and drilling out the holes offset by maybe an eighth of an inch or 16th, and then with your snare wire or a heavier gauge wire, fence wire, make a couple of figure eights, one solid pattern through there. And again, it's only that one shot that really expands your range and gives you a better chance of stopping that small game. Let's give it a try and see if it works. Okay, as I begin, I'm using 20 gauge galvanized steel wire. We'll see if that works or not. Just trying to pull out a length here. Probably, I don't think I need much more than a foot. It all depends on the size of your loops. So I'm going to try to follow a figure eight pattern. I can already tell it's going to be kind of tricky making all these loops a similar size. And my hope is I can end up back where I started so I can affix the wire to itself. And that'll be, you're going to need probably more than 12 inches for sure. What I'm already finding is it's going to be tricky to get all loops the same size. So I think with a little finessing, we could probably get the loops similar size. And you'll have to adjust these after each shot, there's no question. So after you get them tightened down, I'm just going to spin this wire together. And something like that would be super effective. And that's all just done with a little bit of snare wire out of your kit. So it turns the field point into this kind of wire flower, and I think it'd be, I think it's going to do some damage. Let's go see if I can hit something with it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That was super hard to film, but you can see how the wire is easily formed back very quickly into that loop or X pattern, and it's ready for your next shot. This is a great way to expand, you know, the accuracy for those people that aren't super accurate with field points. I mean, let's be honest, that's 1/4 of an inch, but now we've expanded our kind of a hit zone to be a little larger, and other than kind of dense brush, it really doesn't affect the performance. Kind of I hit basically the target every time, and you know, I think this is a great way to add a little bit of flexibility and ingenuity to your kit. Anyways, I want to share that with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy your outdoors, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.